Now, a very basic question for a distance section formula says find the distance between the points P, that is 4 comma 5, and Q, that is minus 3 comma 2. So what does the distance formula says? First of all, distance formula says root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is, or this value gives the distance between 2 points, that is PQ, right? So the distance PQ will be equal to root of, what is x2? That is minus 3. What is x1? That is 4. So this is minus 3 minus 4 square plus, what is y2? That is 2. And what is y1? That is 5. So this is 2 minus 5 square. So we have to just solve this equation, solve this value, and that will be the distance between PQ, or the distance PQ. So this is equal to root of 7 square plus minus 7 square, plus minus 3 square, that is equal to root of 49 plus 9, or that is equal to root of 58. So the distance PQ is equal to root of 58.